to make money online. Looking to earn money online? Here are 5 great platforms to start with. No experience needed. Fiverr, a freelance marketplace where you can offer services like writing, design, voiceovers, and video editing. Start small and grow your income as you...
Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of Online Money with Peter, your go-to podcast for all things online income, digital content creation, and financial freedom. Today's episode is a real treat. If you've ever thought, I want to make money online, but I don't want to show my face, you are in the right place.
Absolutely. And hi everyone, I'm Sarah. Welcome to Online Money Podcast, and today Peter and I are going to show you how to create powerful, trending faceless videos using a tool called Short AI.
Short AI has completely changed the game for content creators. We'll not only talk about what it can do, but walk you through a full step-by-step tutorial on how to use it. So if you're listening, open your laptop or phone and follow along.
Before we dive in, let's talk about why faceless videos are so powerful.
Yeah, for starters, you don't need a fancy camera setup, lighting, makeup, or even a perfect background. Plus, faceless videos work great for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, even Facebook. And because it's easier and faster to produce, you can post more content more consistently, and we all know consistency is the secret sauce for growth. Now on to Short AI. Short AI is an online platform that uses artificial intelligence to help you quickly create short-form videos. You can build AI story videos like inspirational or spooky stories, Reddit story videos, fake text conversation videos very popular for storytelling, dialogue videos, 2 characters talking back and forth.
And the best part? It auto-generates voiceovers, captions, and lets you choose from multiple background styles like Disney, manga, dark mode, and even Minecraft. You can even use its built-in editor to fine-tune everything.
Okay, let's get into it, step by step. Open your browser like so, and go to short.ai. If you're new, hit sign up. You can create an account quickly with your Google login, or just use an email and password. If you already have an account, click Login. Once you're inside, you'll see a dashboard. Click Create Video and you'll get options like Reddit Story Video, Fake Text Video, AI Story Video, Dialogue Generator, Caption Generator. Pick the one you want. Let's say for now, we choose AI Story Video.
For now, we will choose AI Story Video. It'll open up an interface to select your preferred template depending on the kind of story you want it to create for you. For the purpose of this video, I will select Motivational. I will click on Motivational, and it will take me to another interface where Short AI will generate a script for me. Select the preferred language. For me, it's English. I will input a story idea to hook my audience. Also, there is a need to ask my audience to like and subscribe for more content like this one. So I will input like and subscribe for more. Furthermore, I will select the time frame. Since it's short-form video, it should not be more than 2 to 3 minutes. I will select this one and click on Generate Script. Short AI will then use AI to write a full short story based on your idea. Or, if you prefer, you can write your own custom story manually by using ChatGPT and paste it in the required field.
After Short AI finishes generating the story, go through it to see where you will like to tweak. If you're okay with it, click on Next. You'll get to choose a background style and character style, just like before. Pick something that fits your story's vibe. For the purpose of this video, I will select Disney style. Click Disney style like so and click on Next. The next interface is to select a subtitle that is okay by you so that your viewers can read along while watching your story. Again, for the purpose of this video, I will select this one.
At this point, it's time to select the appropriate voice for our story. You can listen to all the voices and select the one you think will resonate with the story. I will select John. We also need a background music. As you can see, Short AI has all the tools you need to create captivating short-form videos. Please kindly click Short AI link in the description to get full access to all the tools you need to create beautiful short-form video stories that will have the ears of your audience. For the background music, go to the right-hand side of this interface and select the background music of your choice. When you are done, click on Generate and wait for it to finish generating your video.
How to make money online. Looking to earn money online? Here are 5 great platforms to start with. No experience needed. Fiverr, a freelance marketplace where you can offer services like writing, design, voiceovers, and video editing. Start small and grow your income as your profile builds. YouTube. Create a channel, share valuable content, and earn through ads, memberships, and sponsorships. You don't need fancy gear, just consistency and creativity. Upwork. Another freelancing platform where you can apply for jobs in writing, tech, marketing, customer support, and more. Great for long-term freelance clients. Amazon KDP. Write and publish short books, journals, or low-content books for free on Amazon. Earn passive income through royalties every time someone buys your work. Etsy. Sell handmade or digital products like planners, crafts, or printables. Easy to start and great for creatives or side hustlers. Please like and subscribe.
Wasn't that great? With Short AI, you can create such with your PC or mobile phones. Kindly click the link in the description to sign up and start creating captivating short-form videos like this. Alright, folks, let's move on to another super popular format, fake text message videos. You've probably seen these on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, 2 people chatting in text messages, and something dramatic, funny, or emotional happens. We will be using a mobile phone to create this fake text message. So head onto your phone and let's start creating.
First, after logging into your Short AI account, hit the dashboard, click on this 3 dashes and select Fake Text. It will take you to an interface. You will see 3 options, but select AI Script. When you select AI Script, Short AI will generate a messaging script for you. Input what you want the AI to generate for you and click on Generate Video.
When it finishes generating our fake text based on the prompt we have, this is what we will have. Go through it again to tweak or add more flavors to it. When you are done, click on Next to select a background style. Go through the background and select your preferred background.
Click on Theme to choose the right one. Click here and select your preferred voice and background music. Then click on Generate Video.
You know, every time I look at you, I realize how lucky I am. Your presence brings me so much joy.
I feel the same way. It's not just love. It's a deep respect for everything you are and stand for.
I appreciate that. It's rare to find someone who truly respects your dreams and ambitions.
Absolutely. I admire your passion. It inspires me to be better every day.
It's amazing how we can have our own lives yet still support each other so completely.
Exactly. It's that balance that makes our relationship strong. We lift each other up.
I cherish our ability to communicate openly. It's the foundation of our respect, don't you think?
Definitely. It's so refreshing to have those conversations, even difficult ones. They only bring us closer.
And I love how you always keep it honest. You never shy away from the truth.
Honesty is key. I would never want to jeopardize the trust we've built together.
That means so much to me. I believe respect and love are intertwined in the best partnerships.
Exactly. They nurture each other. That's how we've grown, as individuals and as a couple.
I couldn't agree more. Here's to our love, respect, and growing together every day.
Cheers to that. I'm excited for everything this journey will bring us.
Welcome back. That was awesome, wasn't it? At this point, I want to thank you for watching till this time. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, please do, as I will be creating more of this videos subsequently. Also sign up to Short AI using the referral link in the description. I highly appreciate you doing so.
In our next video, we are going to show you how to use Short AI to create Reddit stories, dialogue, and caption. You wouldn't want to miss it. Once again, thank you for watching till now. We are going to see you again soon. Subscribe to get notified with our subsequent uploads. Have a great day.